Nothing works harder than your roof to protect your home and family. Inspecting your roof might be easier than you think and can be done without a ladder. Some of your top 3 signs are going to be the fiberglass showing, which is going to show up shiny. That's a sign that you probably should have already replaced the roof. Another sign would be the granules missing. So when you see granules on your ground, or you're starting to see nothing but black asphalt. Another sign is a lot of shingles missing and they're being raised. So the nails will start getting loose and start moving, and it starts backing out of the deck and it starts pushing those shingles up. I'd say depending on where you live in Houston, anywhere from 2 to 3 times a year. If you live out in the Katy area where you don't have a whole lot of overlying trees, probably twice a year. If you're in places like the Woodlands and Kingwood where you just have lots of leaf debris or pine needles, you probably need to inspect at least 3, maybe 4 times a year and really keep those areas clean. You can learn more about this and regular maintenance either on our website at idealroofingservices.com. Our guys in the field, our salesmen, they have a DVD video that shows different signs of an aging roof. So take care of your roof so it can take care of your home. I'm Jim with Ideal Roofing.